Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. The real reason behind Qgeberha the Empire's cancellation, according to an entertainment publication Zimoja, low viewership and also misuse of funds are the reason why the show was canned. The viewership dropped dismally, particularly on the second season, with the confusing storyline and a dropping of the main characters. However, it has been now revealed or there was a lot of funds misuse and embezzlement. As we know, this show highly funded, but no one could come forth to explain where did the money disappear to. MultiChoice was informed of this and had this to say, I quote, open quote, Mzansi Magic has just been made aware of the allegations of mistreatment of the cast. We take such allegations seriously and we will be reaching out to the production house to verify the same, close quote. MultiChoice CEO for General Entertainment Nomsa Piliso said, open quote, it is disappointing that when a show ends there is always negative speculation, close quote. Thank you for watching.